Hi, David Workman from Data Mosaic here, talking about latest changes or upgrades to the Servoy Web Client block in Sutra CMS. Sutra CMS has a number of blocks that are just bits of way to display information, and one of those block types is Servoy Web Client, which allows you to put Servoy forms right on your website by simply choosing whatever module is in your workspace and then a form on that module. Give it some configuration data points. The new ones here that we're talking about today is that you can integrate with an external login system, and so the Servoy Web Client can share the same login credentials as the rest of your website session, and so you don't have to log in with your Servoy Web Client. And so let's just go ahead and see how this looks over here. So we have a login form that is distinctly not, this is actually not a Servoy Web Client form. And now it loads up all these pages that actually bring in this block that over here, which are Servoy Web Clients. And you can go ahead and see what's going on here. So that's quickly how that is done. I show you, when you're developing web clients, what this allows you to do is not mess around with the navigation application details. You can just focus in on developing the form, the business work for the form for the business rules that you're trying to accomplish at any given time, and integrate that right into a nice website design, work with other designers, and all of that good stuff. So now, integrated with this login, when I log out and say I want to go to the same page, what this does is it removes the credentials from the session. The Servoy Web Client notes that I'm not logged in, and will, instead of giving you the web client, will give you a nice little say, hey, go, your session has expired. Here is that login page that you entered right here, and it'll automatically spit that out and say, hey, go log in again. So that is the Servoy Web Client block. Very slick, a very neat feature of Sutra CMS.